NORAMARK is way more than just a network or a directory. It actually has a lot of tools that are super useful for your business. Once you're logged in and you've set up your business capabilities, you should pop over to sourcing, My Quotes and Jobs, and take a look at this feature, Track My Job. You can upload step and GD&T, add additional information. You can even add the buyer's email so you can submit the quote directly to them. But once you click Track My Job, it will be added to your dashboard here. And I'm going to open this one that I loaded already. And what I want to show you here is what the quote builder tools look like. Now, if you already have a NORAMARK account and you're getting matched to RFQs in the marketplace, you'll be able to use these quote building tools that we call NORAMARK Smart Quote. You'll be able to use them for free for any of those jobs. If you want to use these tools for all of your other work that you're doing or any jobs that you're working on quoting, it's only $20 a month to use. So let's take a look. We bring out all of this stuff. I didn't add a delivery zip or a rush order. This is just a test file that I threw in. So on the right, you get a preview of the GD&T, and you can scroll down, and you can switch the view to step. And the step viewer will let you pan around, move the 3D object, check out the sides. Let's switch back to GD&T, and we can see the overview, 6061 T6 aluminum. Now over here on the left, let's expand the view. The Smart Quote has broken it into a base and a lid. There's two parts in the GD&T. And for each one of those items, it's given us material line. It's unpriced, so let's say that part is $30. It pulls the dimensions needed for ordering stock material. All of this is pre-populated, by the way. I haven't done anything here. And now labor. The analyzer, our system, analyzes the step and GD&T and makes its best guess at how many hours at each stage and what the shop rate might be for each stage. Now you can edit these shop rates, and when you edit them, you can save it as your default. You can edit these defaults and save them. Now this is my saved default rate for programming, and it totals it up, adds labor, one-time labor, and per unit labor, and comes up with a total, adds in material costs as well. And now the lid, we have the same treatment, materials purchased, and our labor for programming, setup, milling, deburring, inspecting, finishing, and packing and shipping that part. There's an additional purchased item called out here, an O-ring, a silicone O-ring. I found it on McMaster-Carr. They're 80 cents. Include it, even though it says that the buyer will provide. Just to be safe, include everything on this one. And now we total this all up. No additional labor needed here. Our commercial terms. Our lead time here, we're going to say 14 days to be safe. Some assumptions we made. Let's just tell them that no coatings, we will bag and tag. And then you send the quote. This is a preview of the quote that will be sent, itemized line items, and we can send that quote off to the buyer. And these are powerful tools to use for jobs that you're matched to in NORAMARK, and they're super useful for jobs that you don't come from NORAMARK. We have multiple ways to bring the work into the quote builder. You can either track a job, or you can use email triage. Email triage actually links to your RFQ inbox and pulls any RFQs that are coming into your email and brings them directly into the My Quotes and Jobs dashboard, where all of them will be populated with Smart Quote Builder. This all comes in the $20 a month subscription. This is $20 a month for the entire company, not per seat. We make this very inexpensive. We want these tools to be accessible to every shop in America. This platform is built to support U.S. manufacturing. I hope you like it, and you can reach out to me with any questions that you have. Happy to support.